How's the job search going? Oh, by the way, I just got an internship at Google and at Apple, as you can see from my shirts, and I'm making about $80 an hour this summer. Oh, you haven't gotten an interview yet? It's getting kind of late. Ooh. I will give you a reference to one of my previous employers, but you don't have that much programming experience, and you know what? That would just look bad on me if I referred someone who's unqualified for the job. Maybe you should have worked on that resume instead of partying all summer. I'm really struggling with this assignment. I don't know anyone in the class who was able to actually do it successfully. Oh, you did it? Oh, you found it easy. You know what? Maybe you are qualified for that job. Maybe I should give you a reference. I'm looking at your resume, and it looks like you have like a 4-year gap where you didn't do too much, or at least nothing productive. Did you do any side projects at least that you could put on your resume? Oh, you don't do side projects? I guess you don't do interviews either. Noob! Oh, you need help with your programming project? Good thing I programmed 10 apps. Let's see what the problem is. There's a lot of noticeable syntax errors, but looking through the logic, this is completely incorrect. What were you thinking when you did this? You need some serious help. You know what? I'll just do this for you, because as you know, I'm working at Apple and Google, and I'm really good at programming. I'm just going to do this because you're hopeless. You're always so busy. How come you're never available to study? Do you even study at all? What do you even do in your free time? Oh, you have a girlfriend? Simp! Yo, everyone, we got a simp over here! Simp! You can't put relationships on your resume. Glad to hear you're using your time productively. That was sarcastic, by the way. Hey, I heard you're throwing a party, but there seems to be a problem. I wasn't invited. Oh, you don't invite people who do homework all their time? Well, good thing I only do homework half the time. I heard you've been planning a party all month. How's that coming along? I'm so excited. Oh, by the way, didn't you fail all of your midterms? Maybe you should adjust your priorities a little bit. It's so unfair how they got that internship. I know so many more people who are more qualified than them, including me. Where am I working? I'm working at Google because I have double legacy. Hey, I heard you need help with algebra. Well, good thing I took that in middle school. Oh, you mean linear algebra? Same thing when it comes to level of difficulty. Wow, great app idea. How come I didn't think of it? I'm gonna make millions of dollars. Oh, I mean, you're gonna make millions of dollars when your app takes off. I'm definitely not spending all weekend programming your app idea. You snooze, you lose, but hey, I heard that you're still looking for internships. Well, good thing my startup is looking to hire.